Hi, have a good day. We will examine how IKEA embeds environmental, social, and governance principles into product design. I will link every concept to quantitative metrics, life cycle assessment standards, and proven business outcomes. Let us discuss. IKEA treats sustainable as a system constraint, not a marketing team. We will cover strategic goals, design thinking workflow, data-driven results, and transferable lessons that other industries can replicate. The people and planet positive strategy targets three pillars. One is climate positivity, circular production, and social equality. Objective aligned with SBTi 1.5 degrees Celsius pathways and ISO 14040 life cycle standards for every new product by 2030. Renewable energy must cover 100% of global sites by 2025. Material sourcing follows FSC forestry or GRS recycled content rules. Suppliers audit check carbon dioxide, water, and human rights KPIs every 12 months. Flagship programs include 1.2 gigawatt on-site solar, bio-based adhesives replacing formaldehyde, and low VOC powder coatings. Progress is tracked in a public ESG dashboard, updated each fiscal. Design thinking adds rigor, empathize, refine, ideate, prototype, test. Each loop gated by carbon, water, social impact scorecards. This prevents late-stage green fixes that raise cost and risk. In IKEA, empathy maps include not only user ergonomics but also post-consumer disposal. Problem statements quantify impact as kilogram of carbon dioxide emission, liters of water, hours of decent work. So engineers solve measurable deficits. Teams use digital twins linked to eco-convenient data running real-time LCAs during CAD iterations. Material libraries track toxicity and circularity scores. Cross-functional sprints involve procurement, logistics, and NGO advisors. Example, Gumspakka Kitchen, front switched to 100% recycled PET cover particle board. Iterative LCAs cut carbon dioxide emission by 60%, maintained tensile strength, and held retail price partially within plus or minus 2%. We validate methodology through three cases. Terrestrial LED tossed lamp, circular hub takes back platform, and supply chain partnership with WWF and Next Waves Ocean Pacific Consortium. Re-engineered housing uses recycled aluminum, modular LED drive, double slump per watt efficiency, net cradle to gate emissions, 0.9 kg carbon dioxide emission versus 6.4 kg in 2005 on 85% reduction. Returned Furniture is inspected, refurbished, and resold. In 2024, Circular Hub diverted 47,000 tons of material from landfill and generated 149 million euro revenue, prove that circularity support profit. With WWF, IKEA Secure, FSC certified DIMPAC covering 6 lakh sector, a social entrepreneur's textile loan in India converts post-consumer cotton into new yarn with 80% lower water footprint. The framework scales beyond furniture. Patient deploy digital LCAs for fiber choices. Electronics can modularize to raise respirability scores. Construction can substitute low carbon binders in concrete. Essential steps integrate carbon price in cost models, adopt circular material passports, use science-based targets for roadmap validation, and publish third-party verified progress to build stakeholder trust. Sector-specific tweaks. Heavy industry may prioritize process heat recovery. Food sector focused on regenerative inputs and whole chain optimization. Yet every domain benefits for iterative data-rich design loops. AI accelerates material selection by mining EPD databases. Blockchain ensures traceability of recycled inputs. Digital platform will soon elect customer upcycle pods in store, closing the loop at scale. IKEA shows that strict ESG targets enforced by design thinking and quantified by life cycle analytics create commercial and societal values. These models can redefine competitiveness across global markets. Thank you. See you in yet another new ESG values.